Hi, welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidering assistant, Alan. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most common problems in hat embroidery, thread breaks. Many of our friends experience this issue when stitching on hats, which often interrupts the embroidering process. So in this video, we will break down the most common causes and provide practical solutions. Hat embroidering can break threads more often because of a few reasons. The hat is stiff and curved, which makes the tension uneven. If your design has too many stitches, the thread can snap from the pressure. Using the wrong thread or needle, or not hooping the hat tight enough, can also cause breaks. All of this ends up to more thread issues. If we identify and fix these problems one by one, you can significantly reduce thread breaks and make your embroidery smoother and more stable. We have actually made a dedicated video before explaining how to adjust the thread tension. Make sure to check that out for a more detailed guide. Both edge test and tension gauges are great tools to help you check and fine-tune your thread tension. If you are unfamiliar with a tension gauge, I will give you a quick demo and share the reference range you can use. Whether you are doing flat hat embroidering or 3D puff design, choosing the right embroidering needle is key to achieving high-quality results. For regular hat embroidery, we recommend using a 7511 embroidering needle, which works well with most types of hat fabric and delivers stable results. If you are working with structured hats, switching to a heavier 812 needle can help penetrate tougher materials and reduce the chance of needle breaks. And for 3D puff embroidery, we suggest using the DBK5 KK series needles, size 1914. These needles are stronger and sharper, designed specifically to pierce through foam and thick fabric, significantly reduce thread or needle breakage. If you have been using the same needle for a long time, make sure to replace it. The rigid surface of hats dulls needles faster, and even if a needle looks fine, it might be slightly bent, which could be the hidden cause of thread breaks. If you are using the Miro or the Vision series embroidery machines, be sure to install the needle correctly. The older models require the needle to be rotated 15 degrees to the right, while the newer models allow straight vertical installation. No rotation needed. Thread quality also plays a crucial role. Low quality thread or older thread that's been stored too long can snap much more easily. We recommend using high quality polyester embroidery thread, which is more durable, less likely to break, and highly resistant to tension, ideal for high stress projects like hat embroidery. Sometimes thread breaks aren't caused by the thread itself, but because it's getting caught somewhere along the threading path. It may be stuck in the tension wheels, thread gather holes, or the winder, which can lead to pulling, distortion, or snapping. Make sure to inspect the entire threading path, especially near the tension wheels and the threading guides, and confirm that the thread isn't caught or tangled. You can gently pull the thread by hand if you feel any abnormal resistance. That's where your issue is. If you are working on 3D puff embroidery, remember that the thread must wrap around the foam, which increases tension. In that case, you will want to slow down the machine speed, use higher quality thread, and double-check the tension settings to avoid excessive pulling and thread breakage. If the hat isn't hooked tightly, the fabric may bounce or shift, during stitching, causing the needle to snag and break the thread, or worse, break the needle. We have talked about head hooping in detail in a previous tutorial, but here are a few points worth repeating. During the hooping process, keeping the cap driver chain tight, positioning the sweet bed under the mantle bracket, and securing the bottom with clips all help ensure that head is firmly and stably mounted on the frame. If you notice significant movement or bouncing of the head during embroidering, it may lead to thread breaks or even needle breakage. In that case, we recommend checking whether the thread band is properly positioned. If the head fabric is soft, consider adding a layer of backing stabilizer. This provides extra support and reduces movement during stitching. There you have it. So 4 main reasons and solutions for thread breakage in head embroidery. Next time, if you encounter this problem, check the tension, needle, thread, and hooping first. I believe you will quickly find the cause and solve it. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and let me know what head embroidery issue you run into most. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you next time.